Most people think that when they have an asbestos disease, that their case will be filed where they live. And sometimes that's the case. Many times that's not the case. The law varies from state to state, so there are a lot of different reasons and answers to that question. But generally speaking, under most circumstances, cases need to be filed where the injury occurred. And under those circumstances, it would be where the person was exposed. So you may have, for instance, somebody who's retired in Florida, but they worked at a shipyard in Virginia, and their exposure was in building the ships over the course of their career before they retired. So under most circumstances, the proper form for their case would be up where they were exposed. Now, there are other exceptions to that. Under some state laws, you can file a claim where one or more of the defense corporate offices are. So in some cases, you see a choice with respect to where you can file. And that's another good thing about having a lawyer with lots of experience, is they then can make recommendations to that individual as to which court would be the more preferred. And the more preferred court or venue of choice for the plaintiff could be for a variety of different reasons. There may be jury pools that relate better to these types of causes because you have a workforce that's on the jury panel that can identify with the issues of that particular worker. Those would be good jurisdictions where they can at least relate. Sometimes it's one where you can get a quicker trial setting. And as we talked about earlier, it's important, if and when you can, to get to court soon. And so if you have an opportunity to get to court sooner, that's another thing that you would look at as a consideration. Some states vary with respect to the range of remedies that are available. So that's another reason. So again, lawyers have to look at a lot of different reasons and work with the family in helping make the proper choice.